Hey everyone! So there's a pretty huge shift happening right now, and it's not some far-off sci-fi fantasy. It's happening right here, right now. Artificial intelligence is totally changing the game in the global job market. We're not just talking about robots on assembly lines anymore. We're diving into intelligent systems that can handle creative, analytical, and even communication tasks. This isn't just another tech trend, it's a full-on revolution, and it's picking up speed fast. It's super important to understand and adapt to this new landscape. Today, we're going to explore 7 awesome AI tools that are already making waves and reshaping entire industries. First up, let's talk about something you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. Companies are jumping on board and integrating it into their customer service processes. Instead of having a huge call center with tons of human agents, AI-powered chatbots can now handle questions 24/7. For example, Claire is using AI to do the work of about 700 full-time agents. When it comes to content and research, ChatGPT is a total powerhouse. It can whip up articles, write code, and create marketing copy in mere seconds. This means roles like junior copywriter, research assistant, and customer support rep are really feeling the heat. Connect us with Subscribe channel. Next, let's shift gears to the visual side with Midjourney, an AI image generator that's shaking things up in the creative world. You can create super detailed, photorealistic, or stylized images just from a simple text prompt. Imagine a hyper-realistic photo of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars. Boom! You've got 4 options in under a minute. This means marketing teams can produce a ton of unique high-quality visuals all in-house, testing dozens of creative ideas in just an afternoon. Traditional graphic design jobs are definitely being challenged. Why hire a designer for something simple like a blog banner when a marketing assistant can whip one up in 30 seconds? Designers who can embrace these tools as part of their creative process will totally thrive. Now let's get back to words and check out Jasper AI, which is specifically designed for business and marketing copy. Think about a big e-commerce company with tons of products. With Jasper, you can connect it to your product database and have it automatically generate descriptions that fit your brand's voice. It can create hundreds of variations of ad copy for platforms like Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, making large-scale testing a breeze. This is leading companies to replace junior copywriters, shifting the role from writing the first draft to becoming a copy editor-in-chief. It's a clear example of how specific white-collar jobs are being impacted by targeted AI solutions. Now let's talk about something a bit uncanny but super useful, Synthesia. This platform lets you create professional-looking videos featuring AI-generated avatars just from text. You type a script, choose an avatar, pick a voice, and voila! You've got a video without needing cameras, microphones, or actors. It's pretty wild. Companies can now create a whole library of training videos in multiple languages and update them instantly. Major organizations like Reuters and EY are already using this tech for sports news recaps and internal communications. Why go through the hassle of a full video shoot when AI can deliver professional results for a monthly subscription fee? Speaking of video, let's dive into the creative side with Runway ML, a suite of AI-powered video editing tools that feels like magic. Tasks like rotoscoping used to require specialized software and loads of time, but Runway is automating these complex processes. With just a few clicks, you can remove backgrounds, erase objects, or even create entirely new video clips from a text prompt. This is a total game changer for content creators and indie filmmakers. A YouTuber can now do in seconds what used to take hours. The role of junior VFX artists, who often handle tedious tasks like rotoscoping, is definitely under threat. The focus is shifting to the creative director, while the technical execution is becoming automated. Now, let's chat about social media video with Ptry. This tool can take long-form content like blog posts, webinars, or podcasts and automatically create multiple short, engaging video clips from it. It analyzes the text, pulls out key sentences, finds relevant stock footage, and adds captions automatically. This means one person can manage video output that used to require a small team. The role of social media managers is evolving from making videos to managing the AI that creates them. They'll focus more on content strategy and distribution, while the actual production is handled by the AI. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about audio and podcasting with Descript. Instead of messing around with waveforms, you can just delete words from the text, and Descript will automatically edit the audio to match. With its overdub feature, you can create a clone of your own voice. If you misspeak, just type in the new words, and the AI will generate audio in your clone voice. Media companies and independent podcasters are loving Descript because it dramatically cuts down editing time. Roles like podcast editor, audio engineer for dialogue editing, and transcriptionist are being directly affected. The efficiency is so impressive that it's hard to justify sticking to the old ways. So there you have it. 7 tools that are actively here right now, automating and reshaping jobs across various industries. This isn't meant to scare anyone, it's a reality check. The work landscape is changing faster than ever before. The value is shifting towards strategy, creativity, and effectively using these powerful new tools. So start playing around with these tools, understand what they can and can't do, and think about how they could fit into your industry. Those who will thrive are the ones who see AI not as a threat, but as a powerful partner. Future-proofing your career means building skills on top of what AI can already do. If you found this helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications.